Toilet lid and tank covers are an essential part of any bathroom decor. There are many products available to choose toilet lid and tank covers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best toilet lid and tank covers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Toilet Lid Cover. White. The Mayshine Plush Shaggy Toilet Lid Cover is made of dense, absorbent microfiber chenille that is fluffy, soft, and machine washable. It fits most standard toilet lids with its stretchy elastic and is easy to clean. The cover is perfect for preventing cold and wet toilet seats. Mayshine is committed to using high-quality materials for long-lasting use, and their products are backed by excellent customer service. Number 2. Toilet Seat Cover, Bathroom Soft Thicker Warmer. This toilet seat cover is made of soft, warm, and comfortable acrylic fibers that fit most round and elongated toilet seats. It comes with snaps fixed, making it not easy to slip off. The cover is flexible, stretchable, portable, and reusable. It is also machine washable and does not shed or fade. Easy to install, the cover can be adjusted for the perfect fit. Say goodbye to the ice-cold toilet seat and enjoy the comfort of this warmer cover. Number 3. Gorilla Grip Soft Chenille Bathroom Toilet Lid Cover. The Gorilla Grip Soft Chenille Bathroom Toilet Lid Cover is a must-have accessory for your bathroom. With its durable rubber underside and strong elastic edges, this cover stays in place, providing a secure fit for most round and elongated toilet lids. The plush chenille topside is ultra-soft and comfortable to sit on, adding an extra layer of comfort while protecting your toilet lid from scratches and damage. Available in a variety of colors, this cover complements your bathroom decor and can be easily cleaned in the washing machine. Upgrade your bathroom with the Gorilla Grip Toilet Lid Cover and enjoy a comfortable and stylish experience. Number 4. Hullery 4 PCS Toilet Tank Lid Cover. The Hullery Tank Lid Cover is a set of 4 fabric covers designed to fit over your toilet tank lid. With its 4 colors and classic design, it not only adds a touch of style to your bathroom decor, but also helps keep your toilet tank clean. Made of thick polyester fabric, these covers are soft, stretchable, and breathable. The elastic bottom ensures a secure fit, preventing the cover from slipping off. With a dimension of 24.5 inches per 62 centimeters, it can fit most toilet tanks. When not in use, you can easily fold it up and store it in your bathroom cabinet, saving you space. Suitable for various places like home, office, or hotel, the Hullery Tank Lid Cover is a practical and convenient accessory for your bathroom. Number 5. Gorilla Grip Memory Foam Toilet Lid Seat Cover. The Gorilla Grip Memory Foam Toilet Lid Seat Cover is designed to stay in place with hundreds of PVC dots on the underside to reduce shifting during daily use. The elastic edging provides a secure fit and allows for easy installation. The plush velvet topside is soft and comfortable to sit on, while the fabric helps protect the toilet lid from scratches and damage. This cover is machine washable, fade-resistant, and fits most round and elongated toilet lids. Complete the look with coordinating memory foam rugs.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.